Now solve question number 2 part 4. Exercise number 2.4. Question number 2 part 4 is question number 1 part 4 is y is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 7 whole raised to power 6. Find the value dy by dx by making table substitution. And how to substitute? First of all, we will consider this term as u is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 7. We consider this term as u. If we consider this term as u, then our y become y is equal to u raised to power 6. Now with this name as equation 1 and this name equation 2. First of all, we differentiate equation 1 with respect to here variable is x, so we'll differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Du by dx is equal to d by dx 3x square minus d by dx 2x plus d by dx 7. Constant in the outside, derivative of x square and x and minus 1. Minus 2 outside, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus 0. 3 2s are 6, 2 minus 1 x minus 2. Now we'll differentiate equation 2 with respect to here variable is u. So we'll differentiate equation 2 with respect to u. dy by du. If we'll differentiate d by du, y u raised to power 6 and u n minus 1. And derivative of u raised to power 6 with respect to u is this term 6 u raised to power 5. Now dy by du is this term and du by dx is this term. Now by using chain rule is dy by dx, because we want to find the value of dy by dx. And how to find the value dy by using chain rule, and chain rule, according to chain rule, dy by dx, here variable is, we substitute variable du, multiply and divide. dy by dx, we want to find the value dy by dx because we want to find the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx, how to find dy by dx? By using chain rule. dy by dx as it is, multiply and divided du and du. And dy by du is 6 raised to u raised power 5 dot du by dx is 6x minus 2. Now 6u, we consider u as, what we consider u? 3x square minus 2x plus 7. So put the value of u, 3x square minus 2x plus 7 whole raised to power 5, 6x minus 2. 6, now we will take common 3x minus 1. 3x square plus 2x plus 7 whole raised to power 5. 2 into 6. There is no sign between, so 2 multiplied by 6, 12. 12, 3x square minus 2x plus 7 whole raised to power 5. 2, 6, 12 and 3x minus 1, which is our required answer.